Now that you have written your first line of code, let's go deeper. Start by erasing everything on the editor window. The first thing we want to write is our setup function. Functions are pieces of reusable code that we can call many times in a program. Some frameworks, like the one we are using, P5.js, have pre-made functions that provide useful things. For example, with the setup function we can initialize this in. A function is declared with the keyword function, the name of the function, a set of parentheses where we could have some parameters, but in this case are empty, and a set of brackets that tell the program where the limits of our code are. The code for this function goes inside the brackets. For now, our setup function will have only one line where we will call another pre-made function from P5.js. Let's write create canvas 400, 400. Remember, in many programming languages, every sentence ends with a point and a comma. Let's press play. The gray square is back. Awesome. The createCanvas function receives the size we want to give our program. If we change these numbers, which are the width and the height, we will get different sizes. Let's write our second function. Function draw, open parentheses and open brackets. And inside this function we will write background 120, 90, 0. Press play now. Yay! Color! Let's review what we did. The background function receives three parameters. These are RGB values that stand for the amount of red, green, and blue light that the screen should emit. These values go from 0 to 255, and combining them results in the different colors we are able to see. Back to our program, let's add an ellipse. Once again, we use a pre-made function, ellipse 200, 200, 50, 50. Press play, and voila, we have an ellipse again. The ellipse functions receives four parameters: the position on the x and y axis, and the width and the height of the sphere. On P5.js, the position 0.0 is the top left corner of the canvas, and the coordinates tell the program how far an object should be. If we give our ellipse a position greater than the width of our canvas, we won't be able to see it. The same happens if we use a negative number. That's it for this quick lesson. I hope you enjoy it. If, like me, you like video games, programming, or self-improvement, I just launched a newsletter. Go to orla.games and subscribe. Get the new content right in your inbox.